Okay, so today we're doing a small experiment to find out how Newton's third law works. The Newton's third law says every action has an equal and opposite reaction, or force exerted by A on B is equal to negative of force exerted by B on A. So what I've got here is a small skateboard and a blower, and when I turn on the blower, what's going to happen is blower is going to push the air towards my left, which will create a reaction force in the opposite direction, which will be towards the right. And if Newton is right, that force should make this system move. So we are using the roller blades to make sure the friction is less and so that it can move and we can see it. If you probably do it in a table, you won't see that much of a force which can move the table. So I'm going to switch it on, and ideally there should be a force going this way and the reactive force should make this whole system move towards my right. Just like that, Newton's law. Yeah, so in the last experiment, we saw Newton's third law in action. So when there is a force exerted, there's an equal and opposite force exerted backwards, and then the whole system moves. But Newton's third law says also another thing, which is if both the forces are part of the same system, that will cancel out each other. So what we've done here is making sure the blower and the umbrella and all these skater boards are a part of a single system. So the force exerted by the blower and the force exerted back on the blower is going to be in the same system, and ideally it should cancel out. So if I turn this on now, you should not see any movement because both the forces which are acted is cancelling out each other. So let's try it out. Okay, so that's pretty much it. We saw Newton's laws in action in real life. The first one demonstrates an equal and opposite force causing a motion, and the second experiment demonstrates those two forces which is acting in the same system cancelling out each other. A similar example would be you pushing out a car within the car. The car won't move. Same thing is happening in the second one. Thank you.